How to fix Facebook Messenger login problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, go to the Facebook Messenger right here as you can see. Click on Facebook Messenger, click on this storage or the internal storage option. Click on clear cache and clear data to clear all the informations inside the app, and then go back, click on data usage, disable the Wi-Fi and enable it. Make sure to enable all these options. Go back again, click on force stop, and last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Messenger and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.